Hello and welcome to Method Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will add additional users so you can share your data and work. There are a few ways to invite users, but let's do it from your preferences. Click the gear in the upper right-hand corner to open up the right nav menu. This menu allows you to manage your account. We will need to go into the preferences, so select that. This is the preferences page where you can find a number of things. This video, however, is on adding users, so go to the left preferences menu and select users. Note, if you just signed up and are the only user, you will have full administrator permissions. And thus, this link will be available to you. But if you aren't an admin, you won't be able to click this and it will all be in vain. Sounds good? Okay, these are all the users in your account, including yourself. There's only one right now, but whatever. We will add a user by clicking Invite User. If you have employees in your QuickBooks, they'll show up here and you can select one of them to be a method user. Alternatively, clicking this allows you to invite a user with their email. Let's invite a brand new user by filling in their name and email. Cool. Now we have to set their permissions. We can make this easier by granting the new user all the same permissions I have. So with this drop down, I will select Errol, who's me. Ta-da! All the permissions I have will be checked below. However, I want them to be a normal user. I don't want to give them full administrative or customizing privileges. So I'll uncheck those. Now, before you go and invite this person, note that Method's pack subscription works on a per user per month basis. With each of these packs, it will show you the cost per month per user, and at the bottom, you will have the new user total. But your users don't have to have the same access as you do. This could potentially lower their subscription rate. For example, let's remove access to the sales pipeline pack. And look, the price has gone down. Haha, all good. When you are satisfied with the new user, click Invite. And there we go, we're done. We're back at the users list. This little box up here is a filter view. It's currently showing the active users, but I can see the user I just invited by selecting Invited Users. Ta-da! Note, this user will become an active user when they accept the invitation. Awesome. Now you're probably wondering, what does the invited user see? Well, you're in for a treat because now I'm going to switch roles. I'm going to pretend I'm the invited user and I'm going to go into their email. And look, I have an email inviting me. I never get invited to stuff. This is exciting. Inside that email is a link which I will click and get to a password page. Ooh. I can create a new password for this account. There are a few rules to follow for the password, so I'll pick one that fits all those rules and hit Create Password. And ta-da! I'm logged into the Method account I was invited to. Remember, we didn't give this user admin access. Watch. If I were to go back to the gear and into the preferences, see, some menu items are grayed out. And when I hover over these grayed out items, it says we need full administrator permissions to access this section. I'll need to talk to someone about getting access. And that someone is me, or it's Errol. It's going to be somebody with admin permissions in your account, not me, okay? Now, you probably should have set the preferences for this user, but that's in the next video, so join us then. If you have any questions, leave a comment on YouTube, check out our documentation, post on our forums, or you can tweet us at MethodCRM. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye!